Nutraceutical manufacturers operate in a fast-evolving industry where consumer demand, regulatory compliance, and production efficiency define success. But challenges like formula management, ensuring label claims, scaling production, and regulatory compliance can slow you down. Without the right solution, businesses struggle with managing complex formulas and manufacturing records, ensuring label claims and compliance, scaling up production while controlling costs, and bringing new products to market faster and cheaper. Meet BatchMaster Nutraceutical Edition, a modern cloud-based ERP solution designed exclusively for nutraceutical manufacturers. BatchMaster is the leader in nutraceutical ERP solutions, backed by 30-plus years of experience. This cloud and web-based ERP solution is tailored for different nutraceutical micro-verticals such as vitamins and supplements, functional foods, herbal and natural products, and many more. Moreover, BatchMaster Nutraceutical Edition seamlessly integrates with QuickBooks, Microsoft Sage, Business Central, SAP, and more. BatchMaster Nutraceutical Edition empowers nutraceutical manufacturers to overcome industry challenges with advanced formula and manufacturing records management by tracking every formulation detail seamlessly, sample and variability management to ensure consistent quality across every batch, label claims and compliance management to stay ahead of evolving regulations, cost reduction and profitability optimization by identifying ways to lower costs while maintaining quality, accelerated time to market by bringing innovative products to market faster. With BatchMaster Nutraceutical Edition, you can meet high-quality standards and stringent regulatory requirements, gain comprehensive traceability from raw materials to finished goods, accelerate new product development, scale and streamline production operations, make smarter business decisions faster, and improve customer service levels and grow your brand. Take your nutraceutical business to the next level with BatchMaster Nutraceutical Edition and streamline operations, ensure compliance, and boost profitability.